As you manage your Azure environment, you're constantly balancing cost, performance, security, reliability, and operational efficiency. But keeping track of best practices and optimization opportunities across your entire cloud estate isn't easy. That's where Azure Advisor becomes your best friend. Azure Advisor is your built in cloud smart recommendation engine designed to help you govern, secure, and optimize your Azure environment with confidence. Let's explore how it works and how it empowers you to build a well governed cloud. As you manage your Azure environment, Azure Advisor acts like your personal cloud consultant. And the best part? It's free. It continuously analyzes your deployed resources and usage patterns, then gives you tailored recommendations to help you make the most of your cloud investment. You will get guidance across 5 essential areas. For cost, it helps you identify underused or oversized resources so you can cut waste and save money. When it comes to security, it works closely with Microsoft Defender for Cloud to strengthen your overall security posture. For reliability, it guides you toward best practices that improve uptime and business continuity. Under operational excellence, Azure Advisor helps you streamline your processes and keep deployments healthy. And in the performance category, it ensures your workloads are optimized for speed, responsiveness, and overall efficiency. By using Azure Advisor, you're not just running workloads, you're building a well governed, high performing, and cost effective Azure environment. Azure Advisor becomes even more powerful when you use it alongside other Azure governance tools. With Azure Policy, you can take the recommendations from an advisor and enforce them automatically across your environment. Azure Cost Management lets you track the actual savings you gain from advisor's cost optimization tips, helping you prove the impact of your decisions. By integrating with Azure Monitor, you get end-to-end visibility, connecting operational insights with governance actions. And when you pair it with Microsoft Defender for Cloud, you will see critical security alerts woven directly into your recommendations, helping you respond faster. When you combine all these tools, you create a strong, unified governance framework, moving from strategy to enforcement and insight to action, all within Azure. Let's get directly on the portal and see these things in action. To get started, simply type Advisor into the Azure search bar. From the results, click on the Advisor service to launch the dashboard and start exploring personalized recommendations for your environment. This is the Azure Advisor overview page, which is your command center for personalized guidance on optimizing your Azure environment. On the left, under recommendations, you will see 5 key categories. Cost. Here, you will find tips on how to reduce your Azure bill by identifying idle or oversized resources. Security. This section pulls insights from Microsoft Defender for Cloud to highlight potential security risks and how to fix them. Reliability. Get advice on improving high availability and resiliency of your resources to ensure business continuity. Operational excellence focuses on improving operational workflows and deployment consistency. Performance offers recommendations to boost the responsiveness and efficiency of your workloads. Each category shows a score, recommendations by impact level, high, medium, low, and how many resources are affected. You can also view all tips together under all recommendations. Filter by subscription, resource group, or recommendation status. Download reports as CSV or PDF. Click into any category for detailed recommendations and quick actions. This centralized view helps you continuously improve cost, security, and performance across your Azure estate, all in one place. Under monitoring, you have two options. Alerts is where you can enable advisor alerts for real-time monitoring. You get notified when a new recommendation is generated, especially if it's high impact, like a critical security or cost saving issue. You won't have to keep checking manually. Azure Advisor can proactively alert you via Azure Monitor's alert system. Recommendation Digest. Think of this as your advisor newsletter. You can configure email digest to receive regular updates, weekly or monthly, summarizing new and existing recommendations. It's perfect if you want to keep stakeholders informed or track progress over time without logging in daily. Together, these monitoring tools make sure you don't miss important optimization opportunities. They support continuous governance by pushing the right insights to the right people, just in time to act. I strongly encourage you to explore the different options and get hands-on with Azure Advisor. The more familiar you become with its features, the more effectively you'll be able to optimize your Azure environment across cost, security, reliability, and beyond. So, what's your key takeaway? Azure Advisor helps you take governance from static documentation to active optimization. It doesn't just report what's wrong, it tells you how to fix it with detailed, actionable steps. So, if you want to stay in control, stay compliant, and stay optimized, start paying attention to Azure Advisor. It's like having a cloud governance coach that never sleeps.